So in this video, you'll find out how to find the Zen Zone. So what you're going to do is you'll come to courses, and you kind of have two ways you could get there. You could just go directly to the Zen Zone course, or you can come to our home base, our home course, and click on the Zen Zone button. So those are two ways that you could get there. And the reason why you might go to the Zen Zone is if you're feeling really angry, if you're feeling frustrated or sad, you can go there and there will be some videos or some images and some tips for what you can do to calm down or feel better. So once you get to the Zen Zone, it says, which zone are you in? And so maybe if you're feeling kind of frustrated or worried or silly or excited, or maybe you've lost some of your control, you would click on the yellow picture. Or maybe if you're in the blue zone, you're feeling sick, sad, or tired, or bored, or you're just kind of moving slowly, you'll click on the blue picture. Green is for if you're feeling happy, you're feeling calm, okay, and you're ready to learn. And then red is for if you're feeling mad or you've been yelling or hitting or you just feel kind of out of control. So kind of figure out which zone are you in. So say maybe you're feeling a little angry. You might click on the red guy here. And then it'll take you to this page with a lot of different things that you can use to help calm down. So you could try just breathing with this shape, breathing in and breathing out. Or maybe you want to do a little brain break. You might click on this video and it will give you some tips about just taking it easy. So that's how to get to the Zen Zone, and be sure to use this whenever you maybe are feeling a little unsteady and maybe need some tips. So enjoy exploring the Zen Zone.